Okay, for what we have in number 5, okay, we have the differential equation 3y plus x to the fourth times dy over dx is equal to 2xy. Now with this differential equation, okay, we can separate the variables. And so for what we can do is that we can gradually isolate the derivative term. Okay, so we can move the 3y over, and so in rewriting, we have x to the fourth dy over dx is equal to 2xy minus 3y. And in looking at separating the variables, okay, we can factor out the y. Okay, so we have x to the fourth dy over dx is equal to y times the quantity of 2x minus 3. Okay, and so for what we have in the setup, okay, we can divide by both x to the fourth and y and multiply by dx on both sides. And so in the rewrite, we can say that we have dy over y is equal to 2x minus 3 all over x to the fourth dx. And setting up what we have in the ratios, okay, we say we have dy over y the integral is equal to the integral, and I'm just going to write this in simplified form. Okay, so we have 2 all over x to the third minus 3 all over x to the fourth dx. And as we look at the antiderivative over both sides, okay, we have the natural logarithm of y is equal to, and we have with power rule applications, so you have like 2 times x to the negative 3 minus 3 times x to the negative 4, carrying those principles over. Now the antiderivative of 2 over x cubed, this will be the negative of x to the minus 2, or in this case the negative of 1 over x squared. And as for the antiderivative of negative 3 times x to the negative 4, okay, that is going to be x to the negative 3 or 1 over x cubed. And so we have the natural logarithm of y is equal to negative 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed, followed by the constants. And for what we have in freeing up y from the natural logarithmic attachment, okay, we can use the natural logarithm base e. So we have e to the natural logarithm of y is equal to e to the negative 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed, and you could say plus c, but in rewriting what we have, working with the product property of exponents, we say we have times e to the c, which itself will be a constant. And so for the general solution that we have for y, we have from e to the natural log of y, that goes to y. E to the c is a constant, and we have times e to the negative 1 over x squared plus 1 over x cubed, and you can just leave it in that particular form.